introduce myself, my name is Kaira Arabella. Over the past few weeks, we've gone through a series of activities in the acceleration program, filled with both challenge and valuable lessons. Of course, behind every achievement and memorable experience, there is always room for improvement. In this video, we'd like to share some constructive feedback and suggestions from us for the betterment of the program. Not to blame, but to reflect and grow together. So, let's take a moment and watch this together. In the first meeting of this acceleration activity, we began with introduction between student and lecturer. Mr. Anur Rahman opened the acceleration activity in a relaxed manner, which made us feel comfortable talking and interacting. One interesting aspect was that we were asked to share our difficulties in learning English. My friend mentioned that they struggle with public speaking due to a lack of confidence and a fear of making mistakes. Some also felt confused by unfamiliar English sentences and struggle with pronunciation with English words, especially those with different pronunciation and spellings. This question was very helpful because it made us reflect honestly on our own weakness. Mr. Anur Rahman also took us how to pronounce sentence correctly, instill confidence, and taught us how to practice pronunciation short sentence, paying attention to intonation and word stress. Criticism. The first meeting went very well, marked by a conducive atmosphere and active student participation. We really appreciate the approach, which began the lesson by exploring the difficulties we were experiencing in learning English. This created a more open and communicative atmosphere and foster an emotional closeness between the lecturer and student. However, if I may make a few comments, the duration of the activity was still very limited. Some of us did have enough freedom to develop our experience or convey our ideas for fully. Furthermore, due to the different class hour with Mr. Anur Rahman assistant, we had difficulty scheduling meeting with the assistant. Furthermore, with assignment given during the acceleration period, I found difficult to manage my time to work on acceleration assignment of course assignment first. Suggestion. We suggest allocating slightly more time for individual speaking practice in the next meeting. With the relative small number of participants, we feel this highly feasible and will certainly be helpful in increasing our confidence and expressive abilities in English. Finally, I would like to thank you for your enjoyable, open, and enthusiastic teaching methods. We have greatly benefited from your communicative approach and hope this positive atmosphere will continue until the end of the acceleration program. As we come to the end of this video, we would like to emphasize that the acceleration program was more than just a series of academic meetings. It was a meaningful journey of growth, both intellectually and personally. Throughout the program, we have learned and experienced many valuable things, from improving our English skill, practicing public speaking, and mastering correct pronunciation to building confidence in expressing our idea. All of these were made possible through the guidance of our lecturer and the support of our fellow participants. The critiques and suggestions we share are not meant as negative judgment, but rather as constructive input and sincere reflection. Our hope is that they can serve as a foundation for improving and enhancing future acceleration program. With honest feedback and mutual respect, we believe this program can have an even greater impact for the students who come after us. We would like to express our deepest gratitude to all the lecturer, facilitator, and everyone involved in organizing and supporting this program. To our fellow students, thank you for your cooperation, enthusiasm, and the memories we've created together. In closing, we hope that all the knowledge and experience we've gained will become meaningful assets for our future. Let's continue to grow, to learn, and to contribute in the best way we can. Thank you and see you next time.